Hey, hi guys. In today's session, we will understand string updation and searching character in string. So how we can update string. So these are the method. With the help of these method, we can update the string. And these are the method with, with the help of these 5 methods, we can search the character in a string. So first I will start with this string updation. So in the string updation, we will see these 3 methods. So let's create a class. So I'm creating a class with the name of string methods part 3. Now I will create a main method, right? So now I will create one string. I will create an object string s1 is equal to, let's say I'm taking a string, this is string, or we can say this is string method. So we have taken one string, right? Now we will see how to use this replace method. How we can use system.out.println, and since this string has been stored in this reference variable s1, right? So I will copy the string reference variable and then call to replace method. Replace method. So this is a replace method, right? It is there are 2 replace method, right? See, replace and replace, and third one is replace all, and fourth one is replace first, right? So we will see all of them. So let's take this first one first, replace. So here, let's say it is saying character, right? So here we will have to pass some character. So let's say I want to change any character, right? Let's say T is in capital letter, right? And I want to make it small. Or else you can say instead of this, not this, instead of this I, right? I want to replace A, right? This I want to replace with A. So whatever you want to replace, you can write here A, right? And whatever you want to replace with the character, you can write here. Let's say here I, right? So I want to replace I with this A character. So let's run this program. See the output. So wherever I was there, it has replaced I to A, right? So this is a character, right, which you can replace. Now we can see another method of replace. S1 dot, again we can call to replace method. So now we are going to call this one, this method, second one. So here we can pass the sequence of character, right? Sequence of character, let's say I want to replace with this is. So wherever is there, I want to replace with was. So here we can put the sequence of character. So let me comment this out and then we can run. See, So wherever it find out the is, it has been replaced with this was sequence of character, was string, right? So see, here is, it found is here in this, then what it has done, it has replaced with was, and it found here as well, then it has been replaced here as well, right? So wherever it will find out the this character, it will replace. Wherever it will find out, it will replace, right? Now we have another method, that is replace first. So we can check the replace first as well. Sys out s1 dot. Now we can call to this replace first method. Replace first, right? So here it is saying string regex, string replacement. So here we can use string regex as well, right? So first, what we will have to do, let's say I want to change this is to was, right? So here I want to change this is to was. So what this first replace first method will do, it will try to find out this is character in this string, right? So wherever it will find out first, it will change there only. So since it will find out here only, so it will change this is to was, but it will not change to this because it is saying replace first. So wherever it will find out first, it will replace only that character, and after that whatever the character will be there, it will not change. So let's run the program. See, so it has been changed only this first one, this one, but it has not changed this is, right? It has not changed. So it will change only first character wherever it will find out, right? So this is how it works, this replace first method, right? Now the last one is replace all. Sorry, sys out s1 dot. Now we can call to replace all method. Replace all method, right? So let's say I want to replace again is to was. So now since we are using this replace all, it means wherever it will find out is, it will replace with was. So let's run this program. See, wherever it has found this is, it has been replaced with was. So here it found, and here in the two places it found is, and it has been replaced with was, right? So this is how these 4 methods works: replace, and replace first, and replace all. So this is how you can update the string. Now we will see searching character in string, how we can search the character in string, right? So I will create one more class so that it will be little clear to you. So I am creating again string methods part 4. right? Again, I will create one main method, right? So see, so far we have seen this replace first and replace all method. Now we are going to understand these methods. Index of, last index of, contains, start with and end with. So why we use index of method? Because it will return position of first occurrence of specified character in the string. It will return position of first occurrence. And this last one, it will return position of last occurrence of specified character in the string, right? And it is used for the contains. Let's say you want to search any character or any word, but you don't remember full sentence, or you can say full word, then you can say contains. You can use the contains method, and whatever the word you can type, it will fetch all the records, right? Start with, if you remember any starting word, then you can put the starting word. If you remember any ending word, then you can put the ending word. It will search character related to that character in the string, right? So let's understand these methods. So again, let me take one string. Let's say s is equal to REEKHA. Let's say I'm taking any string, any random string. Let's say I have taken, right? Now we are going to see index of method first. Sys out. So s dot, now we will call to index of method. So here we have a index of method. So in the index of method, we will have to provide any character, right? Within this string, you can pass any character, and it will return output in integer. It will give you the index value, right? So let's say I am going to give the character k, right? So what it will return? It will return the index value of this character k from this string. So see, this k is available at index, let's say 0, right? 0 index, 1, 2, 3. So this k character is available at index position 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is available at index 3. So let's run this program and see the output. See, it is returning 3, right? So whatever the character you will provide here, it will return the position of that character. It will return the index value, right? So if you want to give any other character as well, let's say I'm putting h as well. So if I'm putting two character, then it will take as a string. So let's again run this program. So again, if you are putting more than one character, then it will return the index value of first character only, right? It is returning 3 only, right? So here we can pass only one character, right? See, here only one argument is available. Means we can pass only one argument. Means we can pass only one character, right? So it will return the position of this character, right? Now we can use the last index method. S dot, we can call to last index of. This is a last index of. right? So here again, we can pass only one character. So last index. So if I put A here, right? I have passed, right? So this index of method will start searching the character from starting of this string. But this last index of it will start searching the character from the last of this string. So wherever it will find out first, it will return the position of that value, position of that character, right? So what will be the index position of this A character? Since it will start fetching, searching from last, right? Because we have used last index of method, right? So see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it will start searching from here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right? So it will return 6. Index value 6 it will return. See, it is returning 6. Right? So this index of it will start searching from beginning of the string. But this last index of method will start searching the character from ending, right? Now we can see the caret method as well. We have a caret method. Here I have not written the caret. Let me write the caret as well. Sixth method is caret. So caret as well, it will return the character of that particular index. Sys out. Now we can use caret method. So caret, see. So here what it is saying? It is saying to pass the index value int, right? Here we will have to pass any integer value, index value, right? So let's say I want to pass index value here. Let's say I want to pass 5. So what it will do, it will return the character of this index 5, right? Whatever the character will be available at index 5, it will return. So what will be the return type? Return type will be character only. See, it is returning A, right? Because at index 5, character A is available, this character, right? So this is how this caret method works, right? Caret method will return character value, right? Now we can see this contains method. Sys out s dot contains. Here we have a contains method. So it is saying we can pass the sequence of character, right? And it return type will be Boolean. It will return either true or false. See, so contains. So in the contains we can pass, let's say kh. I am passing kh. So what it will do, contains method, it will check this kh is available in this string or not. If it is available, then it will print true, else it will return false. Let's run this program. It is returning true since kh is available in this string. Let's say I am passing any other sequence which is not available in this string, right? So let's say if I am passing y, z, right? But this y and z is not available in this string, so it will return false. It's returning false, right? So likewise, you can put any character sequence. So if character sequence is available in the string, then it will print true. Otherwise, it will return false, right? So this is how this contains method works. Now we will see start with, right? So s dot, we will call to method start with method, right? So start with means if I want to put here re, let's say, as I remember, I want to try to find out a character which start with re. So since our string start with re, so it should return true. But it is returning false. Why it is returning false? Because here I have passed r in small, but in string we have a capital R, right? So here we'll have to pass capital R, then it will return true. Now it is returning true, right? So same character you will have to pass here, then only it will fetch the character, the string, right? Now we can see the endWith method. So we can call to ends with method. So let's say our string is ending with AA, right? Our string is ending with AA character, right? So I'm passing this AA. It is returning true because it is ending with AA. If I pass here something else, let's say I want to pass KH, then it will return false because our string is ending with AA only, not KH. So that's why it is returning false here. Again, we can pass AA, then it will return true. So you can understand with the name of this method only, chatAt means it will return the character at position 5, right? Contains means if you are searching any string where that character is available, if that character is available in the string, then it will return true. Start with means your string should start with this character, then it will return true, right? End with, your string should end with this character, then it will return true, right? So this is how this method works. So we have seen these methods as well. IndexOf, lastIndexOf, contains, start with, end with, and chatAt. We have seen so far, right? Now we can see few more methods are there, which is comes under case conversion. Case conversion. In the case conversion, we have a method to lowerCase, to upperCase. These are the case conversion, right? Number first is case conversion. We have a method to lower case, and second method we have a to upperCase. So let's create one more class. Creating this class with the name of string methods part 5, we can say. Creating one main method, right? And I'm going to give one more string here. Let's say I'm creating a string with the name of this str is equal to, and giving some name here. Let's say I'm giving name string only, string, right? Else you can give anything here, right? You can give this methods of string. You can give anything, right? This is a string. Now I want to convert these string to uppercase, right? So this to uppercase will convert all character of the string into upper letter, right? So so far you can see the first letter is this is in capital letter, remaining characters are in small letter, right? So whatever the character will be in capital letter, those it will keep as a capital only, but remaining whatever the characters are in small letter, it will convert into capital letter, right? So let's see the output. Let's str dot, now we can call to upper case, right? To uppercase. So how we can use this uppercase? Just you don't need to pass any argument here. You can just use here. Just you need to put this reference variable of this string, and then you can use this to uppercase. So what it will do? It will return our string in capital letter. See, everything it is returning in capital letter, right? So whatever you have written in capital, it will keep as it is, and remaining characters which are in small letter, it will convert into capital letter. So this is how to uppercase method works, right? Now we can see the to lowercase. Sys out str dot, now we can call to lowercase, right? So what it will do, it will convert into whatever the string will be there, it will convert into a small letter. So these two character which are in capital, it will convert into small, and whatever in small letter, those character it will keep as it is. So let's run this program. See, so in the first we are using to uppercase, so we are getting an output in capital, and in the second one we are calling to this lowercase. That's why it is returning in small letter. Everything is it has converted into a small letter. See, in here in the string we have passed M and S in capital, but in the output we can see in small letter, right? So this is how this method works. Now we can see one more, this value of, right? So we can see, let's say I'm taking value of. So value of, how it works, basically value of converts different data types of values into a string. Whatever the data type will be there, it will convert into a string, right? That's why we use this value of method, right? So let's say I'm taking any data type integer I'm taking, and a is equal to, let's say I'm putting value 10, right? Now I want to convert into a string. This integer value I want to convert into string, then we can use value of method, right? So how we can use the value of? So we'll have to take this string, right? Let's say string s1 is equal to, so this value of method is a static method, right? So it belongs to class. So I will write class first, and then I will call to value of method. So this value of method is a static method which is written under string class, right? So value of, and here I will write a, right? Okay. Value of, right? So here we can pass any character, or there are so many value of method is there, right? So since we are using integer, then see it is for boolean, it is for character, character data, double, float, int. So we are converting integer to string. So we will have to use this method, right? This one, right? Here we can pass a. Okay, I have removed, I think. Int a is equal to 10. See, so now this integer value, it will convert into string, right? So how it will give an output? Let me print this out. Sys out S1. Let's see the output. See, it is returning 10 only, but it has converted into string, right? Now, if now it is not clear to you because it is returning 10 only. So let me take one more example. Let's say I am taking here b value as well. B is equal to, let's say, 20, right? So far now I have taken two integer values, right? And I want to convert these two values into a string, right? So how we can convert it into a string, right? So what I'll do, I'll convert this b as well into string first. String s2 is equal to string dot value of. So since we want to convert integer to string, so we will call to this method where argument is in string, sorry, integer, right? So here we can pass the b, right? So now we have converted a and b into string with the help of this object, right? String object. Now I want to print, without this, without converting. See here, I will print a plus b. So as it is, I am going to print so that you will be clear, right? So that you will understand better. So here I am printing I'm just adding these two numbers, a and b, right? As of now, it is returning 30 because it is getting added these two numbers, 10 and 20, right? And it is returning 30. But now I have converted those two number into string, right? So after converting those two number, I want to print. Now I will add s1 plus s2. Now it will not print 30, it will print 10, 20 because now it will work as a string and it will concatenate. So without converting into a string, it was giving an output 30, but after converting into a string, it is printing 10, 20, right? Because now once it has been converted into a string, it will concatenate. This plus will work as a concatenation, right? It will concatenate, it will add those two numbers, right? Now we have one more method. So value of we have seen, right? We have one more method in a string, that toChar array, right? So we can see that method as well here. So let's say we'll have to create. So whatever the string you will write, right? These string I want to convert into character. So if any string you want to convert into character, then you will have to store this string into character array. Then you can print into character, right? So first I will use this character array. Will pass some reference variable is equal to. Now I want to convert this string into character. So I will call to char array, right? So what it will do, it will convert this string into character array. So first it will store these string into this character array. After that it will print. So we can print sys out, and this C we can pass here. See the output. See, it is converted into character array. So far we have completed almost whatever the important methods are there in the string we have completed so far. So in the next session, I will continue with this string buffer and string builder. Thank you guys. I hope you understood.